Welcome to the Rares Report for Sunday, August 4th, where yesterday's shocker is today's old news. Is this launch time for Rares? Through the last 24 hours of trading, egg prices have stayed stable and did not come back down here, giving us a very strong potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation right here. This formation has become more important than Easter egg prices because of the recent big increase in prices for pumpkin, and they stayed fairly stable after a very large rise, which gives a lot of importance to the prices having the potential to be going up now. And when we go on to Disc of Returning, we can see the prices also rose in this market after a very volatile day 2 days ago. Half jug of wine prices also went up slightly, but very little when you look at the weekly prices. This is another market that has hit this bottom and stayed there. So if it goes below that, definitely sell out, but this could be the bottom. Moving on to party hats. This is where it's really important to take the risk and trade, but assume that you are wrong as soon as you put on this trade, because we are really coming up to a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here. If prices do break back above this level, it's certainly a buy signal. But remember, this is a downtrend, and we really want to, the trend is your friend. You got to respect the trend and pay attention to that. At the same time, be aware of reversal points. Continuing on now to yellow, we see the prices came down and then held steady, again showing a very nice potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. But it is at the bottom of a 1 month long downtrend, so it's time to be ready and be careful. Same thing with green monthly party hat prices. When we go on to red party hat prices, they show very much a similar pattern, a little bit lower than the panic low a month ago, and a potential 1, 2, 3 bottom formation in this period of several days. Going on to white party hat prices were reduced slightly over the last day, while blue party hat prices were increased slightly. And for many of us, the lowers are the most exciting markets when we're coming down to yet another triangle formation and a potential for this market to turn around. The green Halloween mask chart looks great, and the blue Halloween mask chart looks great as well, as we're coming to this kind of formation right here. If we go on now to the red Halloween mask, it's doing much the same thing where it's down at monthly lows, big triangle, still in a downtrend, but could be the reversal point. And it could be the reversal point because of what's happening with Santa hat prices, where we made this identification the last couple days that if prices broke above this level, that's a buy signal. So indeed, I did go in and buy 2 Santa hats. A little bit below the market. Let's go and see what I paid for those. And here we are checking in on my current investments. I did buy 2 green Halloween masks, and I did pay a little bit less than what I offered. And I bought 2 Santa hats for the very price I offered. And I bought a blue Halloween mask also. So 600 million gold pieces invested, and I'll put in another 600 million gold pieces if these prove correct, but I'll quickly be selling out if they prove me wrong. And there you have it for the Rares report on August 4th. Plan your trades and trade your plan. Even if your opinion is different than what your trading signals give, you've got to trade your plan. Now that I've made the purchase, I will use rule number 1 to get out of this trade, because I am assuming that I am wrong unless or until this trade proves me correct. Here's to your success, Link Builder.